Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Fiskars X-series Pruner Anvil in black orange. Of course, all Fiskars pruners are in black orange out there because this is the style of Fiskars. The Anvil garden pruners with rolling handle for dry and hard branches and twigs up to 2.6 centimeters. It's not suitable for cutting fresh greenery. And this is the most comfortable garden pruners I ever used before because it comes with a rolling handle. This is a really cool feature what Fiskars brings out there. We have PowerGear technology, effortless work thanks to the 3 times higher cutting power, smooth and clean cut thanks to non-stick coating and precise ground blades. It supports the natural movement of the hand thanks to ergonomic rolling handle. Sturdy and ergonomic soft grip handles made of glass fiber, reinforced plastic without PVC. And we have a high durability here, easy resharpening and replacement of the cutting blades. Separately, it's available diamond file in an article setup 11640 in a finished design because Fiskars is from Finland. The Anvil garden pruners with rolling handle for dry and hard branches and twigs up to diameter of 2.6 centimeters is not suitable for cutting fresh green. And the PowerGear technology brings us an effortless work thanks to the 3 times higher cutting power. That's really smooth and comes with a clean cut thanks to the non-stick coating and precision ground blades. And the precision ground blade or a plate is like an anvil. And if you have a pruner which comes with an anvil, that means it's not for fresh. It is for the older ones. It supports the natural movement of our hands thanks to the ergonomic rolling handle and sturdy and ergonomic soft grip handles, which comes with glass fiber. Makes it perfect to cut not fresh, but the old ones of everything, nearly everything. This is the Fiskars 10-57174 Xseries Pruner Anvil edition in black and orange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.